going to be checking out the new update. 2 days. Wait, what did I miss? Was it always 2 days? Okay, I've already seen the soundtrack, but we're gonna check out the new update. I didn't actually know I had this timer.
Where'd you
Join my sign code.
Where'd you go? Where?
Wanna have that ball?
Remember, Snowball67 if you want to join my fan code. And just to make it fair to y'all, I'm gonna disable members only. That many company coins? That's a lot. There we go. I got 1 million. New items! Wait, is this standable? Whatever. Okay, we got the Hero Axe. I might get some company coins, but we got all of these. We got the Hero Dagger, the Hero Sword, the Hero Bow, the Hero Scythe, and the Hero Axe. Let's go check out the shop. New outfit! The Onyx Hero Set, the Rose Hero Set, the Ruby Hero Set, the Cobalt Hero Set, the Cobalt Hero Set, I think, and the Kitron Hero Set. We also got okay, let's buy this. Okay, I've got it now, and I'm also gonna buy this. Okay, now I've got this one. So, yeah. Let's put on the new snakes. I think this one. Let's get our penguin eyes. Yeah, W. Ew. 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 Let's put this on. Yo, let's go. Okay. I've got 12,000. Yeah. Oh. Oof. Okay. That's definitely enough, but I've got the new robot. Let's see what it does. What was that? Ooh, rockets! Oh, my hands are massive. Oh! Yo, I've got missiles! Oh, I can still fire. Here's me. Oh, oh, boom! Oh no! Man down. I got the Omega Dagger. Yes! It's a teleport dagger and it also got a cool noise. Look, here, listen to this. That's cool. But you can't like get rid of it, because if you like throw it, you can't like... Wait, I just gotta put it in between here. Oh, come on. There we go. I guess we could. There we go. Oh! I've got every new item. But I have lost a lot of company coins. 1 million? I don't think there's anything else to this update. Except for all that kind of stuff. Oh wait, the nut mart. The nut mart. We've got all these new cloves. Nightmare shirt? That is not nightmare for me. Cat corp? That's more of an artist hat. Oh, yo. I'm not gonna buy that because that's... I already have that. It's the chef item! Feast mode! Okay. Let's check out this logo. Is there anything new here? No, there's not, but there's definitely gotta be something new and neat, right? Yes, it's the Love Bomber headband. I don't think that's really worth adding, Animal Company. Like, Valentine's Day is over, but it's gonna come this year, or has it already been Valentine's? I already own the shark because I bought the bundle. Wait. Shoot! Did I not buy that? What? I bought it's called the Hero Dagger. Hero Dagger. Is that not even... Oh my god. It's because I didn't even actually buy it. There we go. Well, these items are pretty cool. Subscribe for more update videos. Later!